this video, we'll be guiding you through on how to create a board on Pinterest. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So to create a board, you need to click on the plus icon in the bottom, in the middle as you can see. Click on create and then you need to click on board. So let's just do that. And now you need to give your board a name. So I'll just name it pets. You basically have to name it like the images or the pins that you want to post in this board, or the pins that you want to pin on this board. So I just named that pet, and you can choose if you want this board secret, like private, or you want it public. I'll just keep it public. I don't really care. After giving it a name and selecting the required options, click on next on the top right. After that, you get the option to add pins. So let's just take any picture or the video of pets. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll click this one, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And after you're done adding the pins, you have to click on done, and that's it. That's you have created a board. Now to see your board, you need to click on the saved icon in the bottom right, and you'll see your board here. As you can see, I have two boards. The one is photography, and the other one is pets. So there you go. That's your board, and that's how you create a board on Pinterest.